Hey, welcome back to Homeschool with Melissa. If you're new here, I'm a homeschooling mom of 3 kiddos. I have a 9-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 3-year-old, and we are on our 6th year of homeschooling. On this channel, Homeschooling with Melissa, you're going to find tips, tricks, reviews, and everything in between on homeschooling. Today, I'm really excited to share with you my thoughts on OLLO Spark. It's a beginning robotics program that is designed to introduce kids to a world of robotics and block-based programming. Let's dive into it and see what it's all about. OLLO Sparks is a 12-week program, and everything you need comes right in the box. It includes this colorful workbook packed with easy-to-follow instructions, programming challenges, and plenty of space for kids to engage with the material. You also get these high-quality blocks for building and a programmable mainboard that connects seamlessly to their block-based coding platform. The workbook is such a standout feature for me. It's not just instructions, it's a mix of step-by-step guidance, hands-on exercises, and even fun trivia that keep the kids engaged. The layout is colorful and kid-friendly, which makes it less intimidating for beginners. My kids love the way the challenges gradually got more complex as they build on their skills. The building process is straightforward and it's so much fun. My 9-year-old is able to follow along with the instructions with minimal help from myself in building her robot. I think that speaks volumes for how well developed and designed this kit is and the instructions are. The pieces snap together easily, and the finished models are sturdy enough to handle the testing that kids love to do. Now, let's talk about the programming. So OLLO Spark uses a block-based coding, which is perfect for beginners and anybody new to coding. If you've ever used a program like Scratch, this will feel very familiar to that. Kids drag and they drop commands to control their robot. It's a great introduction to how computers think. That computer, what you put in is what you're going to get out. One of the best parts about this curriculum is the real-world application. Once the robot is built and programmed, kids get to test their creations in fun challenges and navigate mazes or perform simple tasks. It turns into leading into play, which is always a win in our homeschool. I want our learning to be fun, and I want our learning to turn into more of play-based learning over book-based learning. Now, obviously, if you are not really into computers or tablets in your homeschool, this might not be the best option for you. But then again, it is a computer programming coding option. So having a computer or tablet will be the most helpful so you can use their app and their programming to help program your robot. And depending on how young your kids are, obviously my 5 and 3-year-old enjoy running the robot. They love going through anything that's been coded into the robot, but they do have a lot of trouble coding the robot. They can also help a little bit with the building, but they do have the problems with the actual coding programming interface. But again, they are 5 and 3, so that would make sense. So it really depends on your kid's age, how well and whether this is best for them or not. So my verdict on this. If you are somebody who wants to add coding into your homeschooling or wants to add more robotics into your curriculum, or even if you're not a homeschool parent and you're looking for some sort of robotics program for your child for Christmas or a gift, this would be something for you. I think this is an engaging, hands-on program. It has 12 different robots in this book, plus another 12 in a PDF form. So it's not like it's just a one and done situation. You can continue to build robot after robot. It also lets you slowly get more complex as you get through these. So your first robot is going to be really simplistic, and your last robot is going to be a lot more complex. They do a great job of laying this out in a 12-week curriculum format, plus another 12 weeks if you add in that PDF as well. So if you've got a curious kid who's really into building and exploring, this OLLO Sparks robotic kit would be something you'd want to look into. I'm going to go ahead and leave the details for this kit below and for Timberdoodle because it does come in their 4th grade kit. If you have any questions for me, please go ahead and leave them in this comment section below. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I love having you around here. On this channel, you're going to find all about homeschooling, tips, tricks, reviews, that kind of thing. So if you want to stick around, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you later.